boy.
Shake ko na lang.
Shake ko na yan.
Shake ko na. How do you feel, love?
I'm so excited lang. Hindi pa 3 days ago pa ako nag-back.
Oh.
That's not even the half of it.
Wagyu charge I'll bring the rest out.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Ngayong walang tugtog, do you wanna say anything, love?
Thank you, love. Alam mo guys, first time ko just na live talaga, na live na asa in front of my face. Pakita mo. In front of my face talaga.
Naka-break lang sila ngayon pero mamaya mag-play ulit sila and baka hindi na kami mag-video kasi we just wanna live the moment.
Guys, ang ganda. First time ko. Parang
Love, should I extend my arm? Pakita ko yung likod natin. Nakakahiya, love, nakakahiya. Gagawin ko, love. Ano siya na love. Ka. Pwede pala, next time.
Guys, I'm so happy. This is like the best night ever. Kalakad namin, malapit na kami sa bahay nila.
Uwi na, diretso tulog. Ay, sasakyan ko, be. Tama naman sasakyan. Thank you. Love it. Gusto na tayo niya nila nag-away. 5 seconds ago. Love, where are we going?
Sorry. Sa tayan, kaya kami nag-away kasi sabi niya wala daw akong storytelling. Eh, hindi ko nga alam yung gagawin eh kasi siya nagplano lahat eh.
Sorry,
Ikaw
babe.
magsabi.
Kasi maganda yung One Love, may medalo kasi doon sila makaka-connect sa'yo.
Oh, sige, YouTube mo naman eh.
Oo nga. We're picking up the cake.
Uy, ayusin mo mag-English. Hindi siya ganyan mag-English. Ba't mo inaano sila? Ayusin mo.
Ano akong sinasabi ha? Hi there, I'm just picking up a cake order.
Yes, under what name?
Einstein. Who is it for? Einstein? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. pa kailangan natin.
Guys, he booked an Airbnb and it's a surprise. So, kailangan
seen
ko mag-ano.
She hasn't seen it.
I haven't seen it. I don't have any idea kung ano to. Love, ah. Natatakot ako yung pag wala kang makita, parang wala kang sense of something.
I know, I got you. Kapit na,
Love!
as in,
Ano to?
1 minute away.
In 200
Love,
meters, your
kinakabahan
destination
ako.
will be on the left.
Kinakabahan ako.
Wait lang na ba?
Yes.
Anak ko lang yung gate.
Yes. Asan na? Oh my gosh. Ano ba yan? Rob, asan ka?
Let's go, let's go.
Love? Ayusin mo damit ko. Ayusin mo. Ay, mama. Love, natatakot ako. Hindi mo kasi alam. Naaano ako, Love.
Lakad ka lang, lakad ka lang.
Natatakot ako.
Just walk straight, love, just walk straight. Love, just walk straight, you're good, you're good. Yung camera kasi lang baka makasabay.
Love, huwag kang matingin. Naaano ako parang ano. Ito pala yung pakiramdam na walang nakikita. Grabe. Uy, I don't feel safe.
Okay, we're gonna walk up the stairs. Downhill na, dahan. Ito, buhatin kita. Oh, yan, walking up the stairs ha. Walking up the stairs. Up, one, up. One, tapos, isa pa, dito, this way.
Ano ba nagilid?
Straight kasi. 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama na. Okay, stop, tama na. Straight na. Straight. Wait, let me fix you up first. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, maglalakad ka lang straight. Tapat mo sa mukha mo yan. Tapat mo sa mukha mo.
Straight.
Tapat mo sa mukha mo. We'll good together. Tapos lalakad ka lang straight, okay? Wait lang, until I say so.
Oh, shit. This is so hard, ah.
Ready, love?
Yes.
Go, lakad ka na. Straight lang.
Uy.
Straight lang, I got you.
Mama, na-scared ako man din.
Straight lang. And then here. Up. There, and then stop ka lang dyan, okay?
Okay.
Stop ka lang.
Shit, ang lamig. Uy, baka tulak mo ako.
Now, love. Now I want you to open your take your blindfold.
Oh,
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Let's take your blindfold off. And then now, I want you to open your eyes.
Wait, I'm so scared. Mom, it's so hangin. Why?
Now I want you to open your eyes, love.
Oh, I'm so
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, love.
Oh my God! Love! Oh my God! Love!
Happy birthday, love.
Thank you!
Love you so much.
Thank you!
You like this? I know you're gonna love that.
Yeah! Yes, open. So nice. Ay, yung asawa ko nag-ano na. Nagpe-prepare na for dinner.
Ito man, cargador
Hello.
build yan. Di ba may tank
Carpenter.
build? Di ba may tank build? Ito cargador build. 20 kilos on my shoulders, you know what I'm saying?
Ewan ko
So,
sa'yo. ano siya.
May book doon na po.
Magluto kami ng steak and
Carbonara!
carbonara
This is our first time celebrating your birthday together.
together.
Physically like hindi long distance. Kaya I told myself na it's a big deal. I wanna make it a big deal. I really tried my best to come up with things na I know na matitake ka by surprise. Gusto ko yung something na not just, di ba, mahal na ganito, mahal na ganyan. Mahal na sapatos, mahal na... Hindi naman mahal, yung gusto mo. Which is may pagkamahalan for people like us in this tax bracket, di ba? Some things we want, kind of expensive, yung mga nasa wishlist natin.
But this one is like more expensive.
Yun na nga like, I had to make a decision na. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I wanna make it different this year. And last month lang, Christmas, di ba? You received a lot of gifts.
Yeah, I did.
Which are lahat gamit. So sabi ko, since it's your birthday naman, first time celebrating it together din, sabi ko gusto ko memorable and hindi siya something na mahahawakan mo lang. Gusto ko yung something na maaalala mo for the rest of your life, di ba?
Look at my view. Tignan mo naman yung view ko. Grabe.
So this is an experience I came up with. Thank you, Nanay, sa tiwala. Thank you for the trust, and yes, I won't let you down. Oh, is this recording?
Is it?
Holy, is it? I'm asking.
Is it?
Yeah. Love, this is crazy. Like.
Hi guys, we have this drinks, carbonara, and
Ang galing ko na sa box na love.
steak.
Huwag kang titingin, love, ah.
Oo, lovely ako nakatingin. Don't worry.
Birthday to you. Namatay. Matitingin. Pakita muna sa kanila. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Open your eyes, love.
Favorite!
Ang galing ko na to.
Lovely!
Happy birthday, love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mizuki. Happy birthday to you.
Love, that's my
Ito, love.
favorite.
Make a wish. Woohoo! Sorry, we had to improvise. Wala kaming dalang candle.
Love, this is gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, I want to eat this.
Of course.
Hindi pa kami ready.
Hindi pa ready magkano. Tayo lang.
Patulog na kami.
Tayo sa
Good morning.
Good morning. Love. Ba't naman nabigla ka? Ano bang tamis na laway?
Wala.
Wala. Kahit hindi naman nila maamoy. Ako.
Uy, naamoy ko. Sila hindi. Sobrang lamig. Grabe, love, nilamig ako. As in, sobrang hangin. Or, basta, grabe naman. Nasa tuktok ka ba naman ng bundok? Hindi ko palamigin yan. Good morning, guys. It's so pretty here. Pagkadilat ko ng mata, ginising ko si Einstein. Sabi ko, huy, kala niya ang nangyari. Pero ang ganda lang ng view.
Love kasi, sana tayo in the middle of nowhere, tapos mag-ano ka. No. Siyempre,
Ang ganda kasi.
Oo, pero
Pagkadilat ko, ito bumulong
Kala ko
sa
may nangyari sa'yo. Ano?
toner. Okay. Oh my gosh, I woke up like this.
Ala. Ayos na.
I'm feeling. Nagluluto tayo ng breakfast. Alam mo ba, love? Dati nung asa Pinas ako, pag umaalis ako, iniisip ko lagi sana andito ka. Para makita ko sa place. Hindi ba ganun naman? Pag pupunta ka sa magandang place or kumakain ka ng masarap na food, ngayon naman na Australia ako, iniisip ko naman sila nanay. Ganito. Sana makapunta sila dito. I like my experience namin together.
Maganda naman yung business dito.
Laki. Ito ako naman.
We made coffee using this one. So amazing. Ang ginawa lang namin kanina is naligo. And nagpicture ako for my IG. Tapos ngayon, we made coffee.
Love, wala tayong... sunscreen, love.
For dinner, ma-marinate muna. We are going to eat tacos.
Eat
for
again.
lunch. Eat again. Yes, eat again. Nakatulog na nga kami.
Wala na
For like 15 minutes.
Wala na tayong ginawa dito, love. Hindi kumain.
Okay lang.
Love, paano to?
We're using this one.
Paano to, Lavi?
What? I'll go first. Swim. Sa swim. Magbabathtub lang.
Ang bilis niya mag-apoy, love, ng fire starter.
That's so nice, love! I'm so excited!
Ang dali lang pala, love. Basta mapakalat mo lang yung fire starter.
Good. Wait lang, I'll finish it.
Sige.
Carry, please. Thank you. Guys, this is my favorite dance step. Ikaw. Show me. Show me your favorite dance step.
Wala akong favorite dance step lang.
Breakfast time. Last breakfast of our stay here. And we've decided to go with pancakes with mixed berries. And yogurt. That's actually her idea. Dessert. Shake na.
Shake ko na yan, boy.
Shake ko na lang.
Shake ko na yan.
Shake ko na. Shake ko na.
Gumagana din ko, shake ko.
Shake ko. Bale, bale.
Oh, no.
Nakahalis ko. Nakahalis na konti na lang. Hindi na lang.
Sunlight spills on the window. The aroma of coffee fills the air. Lazy cat is curled up on the sofa.